I've had a knee surgery called an ACL surgery using my hamstring tendon 9 months ago. I enter in all of this information into the Curovate app, and Curovate will place me in a stage. In this case, Curovate has placed me in stage 1. Now this seems odd because stage 1 is intended for people who have just had surgery. So you'll see the goals and the exercises are really easy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move through the app to figure out where I should start my recovery. I go back to the home screen, scroll down, and press Next Stages. I'll do this a few times because I've been working on some exercises for the past 9 months. I start in stage 9 and once again look at the goals and all of the exercises in the morning, the afternoon, and the evening session. These exercises are more challenging but still too easy for me. So once again, I go back to the home screen and I scroll down until I get to stage 14. In stage 14, I can see it includes jogging and walking lunges, both things that I've just started. I look at the afternoon and the evening exercises, and all of these look possible but challenging for me right now. So I'm going to start my recovery in stage 14, day 1 in the Curovate app.